one starts to decide to spending $500 and holds a balance the next month. Now the creditors are starting to see, ooh, this person's using 50% of their credit. So that lowers their credit score. Does that make sense? Yes. So when I tell people, they'll be like, well, I spend this much money and I use the credit card because it gives me points and I can use cash back. And I go, well, then you need to call your company and say, can you increase my credit limit and still stay under the 30%? So some people have $1,000, they're gonna call and say, can you increase that to $2,000 or $5,000? And make sure you stay well under the 30%. And that will boost up your credit score greatly. Does that make sense?
That's new to me. I knew debt to income ratio was studied, but I didn't know it was a factor. I just didn't know it was like
well, the 30% is real and it's gonna help you greatly. I see people's score go up 100 points in a couple months just to making sure that their credit scores are not maxed out, or the credit cards are not maxed out. Okay? Yeah? So now you know, you're gonna look back at we're gonna do an activity now with some statements here. Next one is a type of credit. There's a difference with the credit, what is like a credit card, getting multiple applications to renting a